guys, welcome back to the new and fresh channel. Today's video is going to be super fun because we're going to be doing my mom cannot cook prank. So basically she's cooking the spaghetti and then with chicken and everything, and then I'm just going to ask her to come to the table so she can give me the food, and then when she gives me the food I'm going to ask her to get her food, just sit here, and she will sit there, and I'm just going to taste her spaghetti and I'm be like, ew, that tastes disgusting. She can cook, guys. She can cook. She's a good cooker, bro. I just want to be mean today and say that her food is not good at all. Okay, guys. So basically, that's what we're gonna be doing. So she's gonna come to the room, and then that's what we're gonna be doing. So wait till she come back. Pow. Okay, guys. We're gonna go. Mommy.
Okay.
I thought you said that you made spaghetti. You have some.
What do you want manje?
I did. I thought I'm going to.
Porque filho manje lá, não puxa vai muito. Sabe belo, quando o gambo fatigo vai cá manje, vai ter que ter um calo, on va manger en cuisine, ça. Et laisser pas faire manger tout.
You're not making food tomorrow?
No.
Oh, so you make that for tomorrow?
Yeah. On pense on expect pas faire manger les jours là.
Yes.
T'es pas sûr mon frère.
Thank you. You wanna eat it? Let's sit down here and eat today. Mom, can I tell you something? I'm gonna tell you to say it in Creole. I'm gonna tell you to say it in Creole.
Say in Creole?
Yes. Mom, this food don't taste good. It's like you didn't put nothing in this thing at all.
Manger à goût?
Yes, it tastes disgusting. I don't know how you eating it, but I don't like it.
Et spaghetti pam na bagou, ou di la?
No. I don't taste it.
Sa gen, explique sa gen, salé sans ça?
Yes, it tastes like nothing.
Avec bagon goût. Ou café? Hein? Je sais pas que ça goût là, mais ça, ou elle est la fille pour jouer.
It tastes bad. Oh, how are you eating that? Let me knock you.
Il paraît qu'il pas monte, il pas gros, on va préférer. Mettez viande pour le spaghetti, mettez poivre, mettez zon, mettez bon petit baril de spaghetti pour la
It's not good. I'm hungry. That's not the only reason I'm eating it, but it tastes like nothing. It tastes disgusting.
Non, il va manger.
Taste it.
Tu vas manger tous les deux, oui?
What? No.
Tous les deux, non.
Mommy.
Mamie de what? Maman, non? Ça juste manger tous les deux. Moi aussi, c'est pas comme qui font mon sac. Malade. Malade.
No, it don't taste good.
Depuis les petits garçons, on va faire manger, ça.
I don't know. This spaghetti don't taste good at all.
Les gens vont qui est monté comme ça. Et mettre cette là, la manger encore. Ouais, bah bon, ça mange.
I told you I'm still eating because I'm hungry.
J'espère que ça gros du bag.
Finally, you didn't put nothing in there, you put so much pepper.
Yeah, manger ça, manger piment. Voilà, dis ça. Ça mange encore le feu. Stop eating.
Okay, this food do not taste good.
Yeah, I agree with you.
How are you still eating it?
Et où tu vas bon bah. How many have you in ça?
It tastes like nothing. And you put it tastes like nothing. Then you put pepper.
Ouais, de monsieur ouais ça dit là. On pas faire manger de monsieur Dieu. On pas faire manger et samedi, dimanche pas faire manger. Pour reste 3 jours ça comme on fait manger, watch why. Pourquoi j'aime que mon guide dit ça dans la non mon guide dit ça là, oui ça. Avec nous dit on fait manger.
I didn't say that.
I made that food and then you said it is nothing. Why? That's why you said my food is nothing. Avec dit manger avec. So on va regarder comme ça.
It is bad. It don't taste bad.
Stop eating it.
I'm hungry though.
Even though you hungry, stop eating. On spaghetti bien bon mettre pour les spaghetti à mettre bon petit piment, son poivron. Ou des spaghetti à bague.
Yeah, because I'm drinking so that the taste can get out of my mouth.
Why you continue?
I don't know. I'm hungry. I'm hungry.
Premier mon na cara qui fait me mettre la France à dire. Nisa, are you serious?
I don't taste good
Ou
at
on
all.
va manger?
I never said that.
C'est que ma soeur m'a fait là, oui.
This is bad. What did you put in that food? What did you put in that food? Mommy. Mommy.
Mettez les oignons, mettez une fait sauce pour la pâte, mettez les oignons,
The chicken will taste better though.
Qu'est-ce ça? Chicken nan préparer la pâte, mettez poivron, mettez oignons, mettez bon petit bail là-dedans et puis me fait sauce là, pas me fait spaghetti à pour confit à ragoût, on love tout bail ça. On dit ça ça va goûter ça. OK, demain c'est voir comme pas faire manger toi, ça moi faire manger. Là ou ka try pour bien.
It is so expired.
Mon cas est là dedans, oui. Souvent moi je suis cas dans dedans, oui ça. Ouais, constatation de c'est non déchiré la table là fait moi. Manger à goût de bas. Moi ils font bail, font manger, faut dire non merci. C'est ici. Mon presque fini avant. Moi j'ai pas faire encore pire pour ça. Vous avez mon envie quitter, mon envie fini quitter. Bon OK, ou presque fini. Ou presque fini. Pas envie de me faire. Même pour nous, il a dit, maman, machin manje. Do.
It's going really good, guys. Oh, seven. Maybe you put something in that thing that you didn't know. Your thing never tastes like that.
Mano, você é finhado, você é finhado, ele é finhado. Eu acho que vai agora você é finhado.
I don't know what you
sabe não, sabe?
Mom, when did I say you can't cook? As I said, this food don't taste good today. I never said it tastes bad.
Não, mas que dele lá, como a manger lá? Ele vai alguma manger, só para manger. En tout cas, moi, je ne peux pas manger des œufs, manger samedi, je ne peux pas manger dimanche. C'est pour moi.
Then who's gonna cook? Well, if you don't buy anything, they'll buy me something.
On va acheter, on va prendre de manger beaucoup. Moi, je vais prendre de manger beaucoup. Ouais.
Eating that. Ew.
Mais ça, si on fait pas manger, tu manges, là. Pour faire qu'elle me plaît, dommage, oui.
Water. Do you water?
Water. Ça vient là. Pour le revenir dans l'âge, on va commencer à bonifier. Faire manger. D'ailleurs, on va commencer à faire des spaghettis.
I'm only 11.
Oui, les gens aiment bien l'âge, on dit qu'on a bonifié, même faire manger.
14. You started cooking at 14. This food tastes expired. It's not expired.
Mais ça mange à bago.
No.
Mais ça mange à bago.
No. I can cook.
Okay, explain comment on fait les samedis.
You said use pepper, onions, sauce, that Julie found out what that is. Chicken.
Ou même si tu dois faire spaghetti, explique-moi comment tu fais les samedis moi-même. Fais, m'attends.
Chicken, sauce.
Et pas les spaghetti, tu vas faire chicken. Moi, tu vas expliquer comment on fait pour faire spaghetti samedi. Explique-moi comment tu fais spaghetti.
Stop.
Lisa, comment on fait spaghetti?
You use water, then you put this thing, and then you take a separate little, you take a separate whatever that is, and then you make your sauce and everything, and then in the spaghetti you put your ingredients.
Qu'est-ce qu'on fait? On va parler pour.
You put boiled water. Then you put the.
Okay, what do you make the glow à bout, right?
Yes.
First, second.
You put the spaghetti.
Okay. You make the spaghetti around glow à bout.
Okay, then you put your ingredients.
What about salt? Stupid. What about salt? Cut salt on the spaghetti.
I said that the ingredient means salt.
But no, but manger, they want manger, dimanche but manger.
That's not fair. No, stop, no. Stop. Mommy, look.
Look, it's on. Wait.
Look. Mommy, look. Look at this. That's disgusting.
Oui, that's what I said. What for next time?
Look.
Try to for manger. Look, they what?
Look. Oh, it's small. You can't see it. Look. Don't you see the camera? Guys, she fell for my prank again. She is the easiest person.
Oh my god. They sad in bagay sa. Video fez uma na way?
I got her again, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And this spaghetti was really good. That's why I kept eating it. She can cook really good, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Thank you for subscribers because we need it and we're working hard for it. Thank you. Bye.